This is CA Chawla, faculty for CA Final Financial Reporting. This video is especially for all the students of Kerala who are in CA Final and targeting their May 24 attempt. Guys, I'm going to announce one special batch of CA Final FR, especially for May 24. And this batch will be in face-to-face mode in Kochi in association with Laksha Academy. I will take the batch 28th of January to 1st of February. That means 5 days face-to-face. And not only face-to-face, after the face-to-face of 5 days, I will continue the same in online mode for the rest part of the syllabus also. Now, in this 5 days face-to-face batch, I will cover the most important portion of the topic like business combination consolidation, joint venture associate, revenue from contract with customer, financial instruments, some other most important chapters like 116 leases, Ind AS 21, Ind AS 33 and all. All these portions will be covered in face-to-face mode along with the practice of exam-oriented questions. Yes, you heard it right. And you will get the entire material from my side that covers concept book, question bank and as well as chart book. Now, overall, if we can see, this is ultimately the 60 to 65% portion which I'm going to cover in the 5 days batch. Now you will be surprised like sir, what about this remaining portion? The remaining portion, that is 30-35% portion, I will continue on the online mode with you guys, and these will be given free of cost to you. Okay, so online lectures will be given free of cost if you register for this 5 days face-to-face batch. So guys, if you want to enroll yourself, you can register with these details. Especially this, I want to say that this batch is especially for all the students who are either not confident with the subject. You might have completed your FR earlier, but you are not confident with the subject. Plus, if you haven't studied FR earlier and you are targeting May 24 attempt, this batch is completely for you because this is not just a revision batch. This is a detailed exam oriented batch. All right. So if you want to register, please check the details. Thank you so much.